US chipmaker Nvidia became a trillion-dollar company, aided by the boom in artificial intelligence.
What role does AI play in Nvidia's business strategy? The provision of its cutting-edge AI and GPU technologies for autonomous vehicles is one of the main ways Nvidia generates revenue in the automotive sector. This comprises data center infrastructures, autonomous technologies, in-car computer operators, and end-to-end solutions, including frameworks and software toolkits. The market value of Nvidia Corp. briefly surpassed $1 trillion as the chipmaker's expectations for artificial intelligence propelled it into an exclusive group of just 5 American businesses. Before reversing course from the $1 trillion mark in the late morning, the stock increased as much as 7.7% early in the session. The only other U.S. companies with trillion-dollar valuations are Alphabet Incorporated, Amazon.com Incorporated, Apple Incorporated, and Microsoft Corp. Less than 10 organizations worldwide have attained the distinction. Nvidia joins the select group of 6 businesses with a market capitalization of $1 trillion or more after reaching the $1 trillion milestone. The well-known manufacturer of graphics processing units, GPUs, Nvidia, recently entered the exclusive club of $1 trillion valued firms as a result of a successful start in U.S. markets. According to the report, the company predicted last week that its second quarter revenue would exceed Wall Street projections by more than 50%, prompting top analysts to raise their price targets. Nvidia joins the select group of 6 businesses with a market capitalization of $1 trillion or more after reaching the $1 trillion milestone. The only other businesses to do so were Tesla, Meta, and the enormous Chinese oil company PetroChina. Nvidia's worth increased as its shares surged 4% in early trading, recording a $40 billion gain for the day and pushing it above the $1 trillion mark. Nvidia has benefited from the rise in artificial intelligence, as its stock is up 181.8% just in 2023, and its valuation has increased by a staggering 526.8% over the past 5 years. Advanced gaming GPUs are produced by Nvidia. The business, which has its headquarters in Santa Clara, California, was established in 1993 by Jensen Huang, Curtis Preem, and Chris Malachowski. High-performance computing, CPU, and artificial intelligence are further fields in which the corporation is a recognized leader. Before reversing course from the $1 trillion mark in the late morning, the stock increased as much as 7.7% early in the session. As of the New York close, Nvidia was up 3% to $401.11, bringing its market valuation to $990.7 billion. Nvidia is the best example of Wall Street's current preoccupation with AI. It has surpassed Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated and Intel Corp in terms of capabilities, becoming the largest manufacturer of the specialized chips required to power a new generation of AI products at the same time that nearly every firm in the world has incorporated AI into its operations as a result of ChatGPT's viral popularity. Jensen Huang explained the attitude that has led his company to this point in a speech he gave at the National Taiwan University over the weekend. Run, don't walk, he urged. Either you are fleeing from becoming food or you are fleeing in search of food. Huang created Nvidia, a Silicon Valley chipmaker, 30 years ago. Huang's urgency and his willingness to take chances that other rule-by-committee corporations dare not is what drove Nvidia to place large bets on artificial intelligence years before anybody else was taking it seriously. It is currently proving to be the company's prized asset. Since last week, when it provided an AI-driven sales forecast that well exceeded Wall Street's projections, Nvidia's stock has increased dramatically. After launching a number of new AI-related technologies over the weekend, that include everything from robotics to gaming to advertising and networking. The stock increased again on Tuesday. Huang also revealed a platform for AI supercomputers that will assist tech businesses in developing their own ChatGPT variations. Huang remarked, "It's too much." However, the development of artificial intelligence perhaps has the most potential to help his company, which is currently the most valuable chip manufacturer in the world. The company announced an AI-driven $11 billion sales projection for the fiscal second quarter, crushing Wall Street targets and doubling its value in a single day. At the time, Stacy Raskin, an analyst at Sanford C. Bernstein, remarked, "We have never seen a guide like the one Nvidia just put up." Huang co-founded Nvidia in 1993. It outperformed its counterparts in the development of chips that translate computer code into the lifelike pictures that computer gamers like. And it survived a wave of consolidation that saw its competitors bought out, declared bankrupt, or combined into bigger businesses. The business then expanded its technology into other sectors under Huang, including data center servers and artificial intelligence processing, a move that is now proving to be foresighted. Nvidia's data center business has increased from $300 million in annual revenue to $15 billion in less than 10 years. Platforms for generative AI, such as Google's Bard and OpenAI's ChatGPT, depend heavily on Nvidia's graphics processing units, or GPUs. Although the business has long been a pioneer in the market for so-called discrete or standalone GPUs, many customers still believed that GPUs were primarily utilized for demanding video games until recently. Nvidia is in a good position to gain from the expansion of the GPU, AI, and self-driving vehicle industries. From 2021 to 2026, the GPU market is anticipated to expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 12%. The main threat to Nvidia is rivalry with other businesses. Other businesses are working on AI solutions, GPUs, and self-driving car technologies. If these businesses are successful, Nvidia's expansion may be in danger. Because of the current turbulence in the stock market, there is a chance that the price of Nvidia's stock could drop. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Until then, bye. Also, spend some time watching other videos on the channel.